kong question is, like, may kinailangan bang adjustment from your end in terms of writing songs for the P-pop generation right now?
Kasi yun nga I get my energy from the artists that I work with. So kung mapapansin nyo, iba-iba talaga yung mga artists na nakakatrabaho ko. Iba-iba yung style. So from Gary V to Moira to Rico Blanco to Yang Constantino, Eric Santos, and the P-pop groups that I have worked with. So ako, hindi ko kasi i-impose yung sound ko. I will get the energy from the artist that I'm working with and then build the song, the sound based on the identity of the artist. So ganun lagi yung mindset ko every time I work with any artist. So hindi ko i-impose yung sound ko, but I will get it from the artist that I work with. So ganun, kapag ganun yung mindset mo, mailalabas mo yung galing ng artist, hindi ikaw yung magdidikta ng sound sa artist. So that's how I work.
Kanino ka nahirapan getting the energy? I'm sure may nahirapan yan. Hindi naman palagi.
Ayaw pangalan. Dati, when I was younger, medyo may mga times na may nakakatrabaho ako na wala akong choice. Nung bata. Nakatinignan na yung discography ko nung bata pa ako. Pero ngayon, nakakapili na ako eh. Kapag hindi ako na-inspire dun sa artist, hindi ko siya gagawin. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pag nakita nyo na nilabas ko yung song and nagkaroon ako ng record with this particular artist, ibig sabihin, gusto ko siya, I believe in that artist, and maganda yung energy niya. And meron akong something na madodraw out from that artist. Ibig sabihin, meron akong artistry na makukuha and I can build from there. Kung wala akong makukuhang something dun sa artist, wala akong magagawa. So mahirap. Kasi that's how I work eh. I need to see the artistry of that particular singer-songwriter, and then I start from there. Ngayon, kung wala yung starting point ko, wala akong matatrabaho.
Last related to that. So meron ba yung dati hindi mo bet pero eventually, syempre lahat din ng singers nag-evolve. Yes. Eventually parang na-appreciate mo rin yung artistry niya.
Parang wala.
Ay, consistent na hindi mo talaga bet.
Meron talaga ako na parang, meron akong nakatrabaho dati na, wait, wala naman to eh, napipilitan ako. Wala to eh. True enough, hindi na sustain yung career niya. Pero yung mga artists na, especially now, the artists that I work with now, naniniwala talaga ako sa kanila. Feeling ko, magkakaroon sila ng mga sustainable careers. Kasi importante yun, kasi kahit na anong galing namin na songwriters, record producer, kung wala yung natural talent dun sa artist that we work with, wala ring mangyayari. So, importante yung galing ng artist. Kasi ang role namin as songwriter, record producers, is to draw out that talent from the artist that we work with. Ngayon, kung wala akong mahihila from the artist, wala. Hindi siya sustainable.